sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course this will be my own opinion on this masterpiece. An outstanding monster truck to deliver satisfaction of driving it. Eventually 50 miles per hour, imagine that, 50 miles per hour that can be easily reached using the remote control. Eventually 2.4G remote control for your satisfaction in order to navigate it. And of course, coming with all the tools and utensils just in case you want to switch something, change something, add some stickers or clean it. And of course, because this one is electric, also comes with a charger for you to easily use to charge it when the battery is down. The only thing you need batteries for is for the remote control. And take a look at that. This one literally doesn't bounce. You're going to be able to easily maneuver with it on a whole different level. No matter if it's going to be on sand, mud, soil, grass, anywhere you're going to take it, you're going to feel that absolute satisfaction from riding a monster truck. Eventually also we have a brush to clean it afterwards, instruction manual, eventually stickers to personalize this one, and some spare parts for you to easily change if those are gonna get broken by the time and eventually impacts. And of course I'm in love with the design because I'm gonna be able to easily make it as I want, to glue the windows and other stickers that comes in the set in order to personalize that. Alright, let's eventually see what this baby can do in action. Of course, with the remote control, we're going to be able to easily navigate it. This is a soft turn, but eventually can go even crazier. Alright, so we have the basic back and forward, super easy and smooth. And of course the turning wheel from left to right. But let me remind you something, that this baby goes to up to 50 miles per hour and it goes really fast eventually. No doubt one of the fastest trucks that I ever had. So if you guys are looking for one, this one is definitely a recommend.